Hi guys, so in many videos I've been covering some of the charts, but in this video I want to bring your attention to an option chain in this particular stock that is reporting earnings tomorrow. So before we glance at that, the chart is bearish. It could drop off in a meaningful way, but one thing to understand is MTH, it's Meritage Homes, it's basically a correlation trade on the DHI trade that we've landed a 30x plus on, and we believe Meritage Homes can drop in the same way that DHI collapsed at its earnings report. So considering we've got a very well-defined multi-top formation here, we've got major bearish divergence on the RSI, still a bunch of people that can come in and sell. When it goes higher on very minimal volume. Now, that is something, what I'm about to show you is not going to be applicable to many stocks that are commonly traded. Now, MTH is not a stock that trades on a ton of volume, so when you see what I'm about to show you on the options chain, it actually makes a huge difference. A lot of times you would see similar action that I'm about to show you in some biotechnology stocks, where somebody already knows for a fact that something is about to take place, while yet it is not apparent to the rest of the market participants. So some of these biotechnology stocks that trade oftentimes on low volume or lower volume than a lot of the big names. If you see a volume in a particular strike, a volume that by far exceeds the other side of the equation, if you see a strong volume on calls or on puts, or especially if someone just goes out and buys a large number, well, clearly 100 contracts wouldn't be a large number when we talk about Tesla or Apple, but when you identify a stock like this, someone buys 100 contracts in one trading session, in one single strike, and none of the other strikes ain't doing shit, probably you got something here. So let's glance a look at that option chain. All right, so this is the option chain for January 31st, 2024, and basically what we're noticing is there's not a whole lot of contracts going on or bought today, or there's nothing really happening right here as far as the call side. Now, if we take a look at on the put side, not a whole lot with the exception of this strike, right? 165 strike on MTH. 100 contracts in relation to the open interest of only 19. So the daily volume here is 5x. So again, 100 contracts for certain stocks, that it's not nothing. You wouldn't even pay attention to that. But considering the ratio, like look at the ratio. So you got 1 call, 2 calls, 7, 1, 12. Okay, you got 10, 20, 30 calls, if that. And then you've got 111 calls, so you're 111 puts. So your puts are outnumbering calls like 4.5 to 1, roughly. And notice, this is not like somebody just went and said, hey, let me just buy some options cheap. Let me go ahead, just in case there's a collapse in the stock like we had in DHI. Let me go ahead and buy maybe this 145 strike, right? This somebody, okay, just went ahead and pulled the trigger, put about 50K in this trade. And guys, when you see something like this, so first you look at the chart, then you go look at the option chain, okay? So there's a good probability. There's probably, I'd say, 87% probability this shit is going to collapse tomorrow. And I'm going to post this video early enough to where, hey, if you wanted to pull a trigger on this one, this is an easy one. Many times I've caught some really good trades by analyzing the chart and then going and analyzing the option chain. And when you have such ratios like this one here, guys, in most instances, it is going to be a winner. So this is why you come to trade with 13 market moves, so you can notice small little details like this that can help you beat the market. This is the edge that no other channel is going to post a video today on MTH. I fucking guarantee you. Okay, so you want some trades that are under the radar. Okay, enough of trading fucking Microsoft and all that shit. Okay, options are overpriced. I told you, you want to buy options when there is a mispricing, and you want to be in a situation where someone knows about fucking something that's about to take place before the rest of market participants even have a clue. So this is being recorded when MTH trades at 169. Okay, considering the options that were bought these 100 puts, okay? An average price for like $4. So we're looking at a situation here where at the very minimum they're looking for the stock to drop to 160. So that's like $9 lower from here. But who would want to put and buy one contracts in a shot to just go ahead and, you know, break even? Nobody want to fucking do that. So probably we're looking at a drop to like $150. So let's glance at the chart one more time, possibly even lower than that. So let's take a look at the chart one more time. Okay, so as far as the chart concerned here, we can easily see a level of 155. I could probably drop there, slow down a little bit, and then go even below that. So easy drop potentially to a level of 145. Guys, it's about a 25-point move, and that would be the only reason I think somebody would go in and buy 100 contracts in relation to no calls, 100 puts in relation to zero call activity. It's a good indication. This is a good one going into tomorrow. So this is one reason to actually buy puts ahead of the earnings report. So if you have any questions about this trade, make sure you give us a call here at 13marketmoves.com by going to 13mmtv.com, clicking the orange button, talking to a trader. Now, guys, there's a lot of under-the-radar trades that we simply don't have time to post and record here, which you never actually get to hear about some of the greatest trades, because oftentimes we'll record a video about something that is actually being talked about because that's what traders are searching for. But some of these top trades like this MTH, nobody's talking about it. So, and that's where some of the hidden gems are when you're trying to advance your trading account to the next level. So do it with us. Take your account to the next level with 13 Market Moves, 13mmtv.com. Big orange button. Take action now. Let's go.